Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you new amazing standby clock for your any Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay guys, first download this standby clock on your Galaxy device. This clock download link available on description. Simply download and open. After open, simply tap on allow and simply tap on next, tap on finish, and guys, just look, this is new amazing standby clock on your Galaxy device. Okay, let me show you one by one all complete features of this standby clock. Then if you tap and hold, then look at these all type of widgets. You set color, timer and app setting. Then first look at these on widgets. First let me show you, you add multiple screens. Simply go back. Now look at this, swipe right or left. This is normal widgets. Simply tap and hold. Look at this plus button. Simply tap on plus button, or if you want to replace or delete any screen, then simply tap on edit mode and simply delete. Tap on done, and if you want to replace widget, then simply select widget and add. Now let me show you one by one clocks. Just look, this is clock. This is Windows 11 theme. And guys, if you edit clock, then you also edit clock. Select tube and select color and enable or disable flickering like this. Now calendar widget, this is calendar widget, weather widget. Okay, I replace weather widget on this standby widget. Now this is replace, and look at this weather widget. Tap on utilities. Guys, this is utility widgets. Simply tap on plus and let me show you utility widgets. Guys, this is really amazing. Simply go back and just fill this utility widget. Guys, you set this nature scene according to your mood. Look at these all scenes available on this widget. This is all utility widgets. Now let me show you animated clock. Look at this is focus widget, to-dos, animated clocks. Simply download one by one all clocks, and this is complete next level standby clocks on your Galaxy device. Look at this, let me show you one by one. This is really amazing, right? You also set color or font like this. So guys, you also install this new standby clock on your any Galaxy device. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.